Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video on a 1988 Chevrolet Camaro IROC-Z. Now, this car I bought down in Florida several months back, and I really wasn't even planning on selling the car, but it got up here and I don't really have the space to put any more cars, so personally anyway. So I'm gonna list it and sell it. This car is kind of a rare bird, I would say, I would say. It's a 88 IROC T-tops. It's got a 2-port injection 305 engine with a 5-speed manual transmission, which kind of a rarity. How many of these do you really see? Gray interior. The car, it was a Canadian built car, and the odometer reads 45,000 kilometers, so that translates into just 28,300 and some miles. And when I was down in Florida, I kept this car down at my house down there. I drove this car a lot. I probably put 600-700 miles on it. It runs fantastic. It's a beautiful car. It even smells great inside. It smells just like a IROC usually smelled. I know that sounds silly, but it's the truth. These cars kind of like the Chevy pickups, in the mid-90s. They got a certain smell to them. When you get in them, you're like, oh yeah, I remember this, back in the high school days, back in the good old days, The interior in this car is beautiful. It makes it look like it's real saggy, but it's not. It's got a little bit of sag here, in the T-top area. Not a big deal to me. That comes right up. The hydraulics work on that. Factory CD player. Tilt wheel, cruise control, rear window defrost. I love this car. If it doesn't sell, it's not going to break my heart. T-top covers are in there. The shade is in there. Rear window defrost. I had it sitting out. It just started spitting rain a little bit ago, and I had it sitting outside. So if you see a few water spots on the window, you'll know why. I had to get it inside before it really started to rain, which, the weatherman, he said it was not going to rain today. But go figure, he wasn't right again. The seats, the door panels, the dash pad, the steering wheel, just everything on the inside is beautiful. I'll open the hood for you. Power door locks, power windows. Tune port injected. Just an awesome car. Gaps, panel fitment. Everything is really, really nice. We'll start her up. This is new. I don't know if the sending unit is bad or what, but it wasn't like that last time I drove it in Florida. When I got it up here, that gauge is all pegged. So I don't know if the sending unit is bad. I have this plastic that was on the floor that got crinkled up with my feet. We'll pitch it out. fog lights on. We'll see if those work as well. Tail lights, right turn signal, plate lights. Shut this. There we go. Yep. Fog lights, turn signals. We can hit the bright headlights here quick and turn the other signal on for you, and then we'll go for a ride. There we go. I love this car, the white car with the gray and yellow stripe down the bottom there. A couple small little rock chips. There's a little rock chip right here. Let's see. I thought I seen a couple other small. Oh, there's a small little rock chip right here. That'll touch right up. And there's one or two other little spots. One small little rock chip there. And I thought I seen. Oh, there's a little spot right here too. So you can dab them in real quick. I can do that for you if you buy my car. Been sitting down in Florida for the last little while, so been sitting in my building down there, so. Instead of the outside, so gas gauge works, voltage gauge, oil pressure gauge, speedometer, tach. The only one that's not functioning here at the second, like I said, is that temp gauge, which I'll take a look at that. Can't be anything too serious. It worked last time I drove it. Say I haven't driven this car since probably April. It's all coming back too, and I love it. These cars are so much more fun with a stick in them. Just kind of like the Fox body Mustangs, the automatics. I mean, they're okay, but it's nothing like driving a manual. I'll get out and do a little walk around quick. The gas gauge is just above E, so uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hope we're not out. We'll do a walk around here quick and see. You know, they're old cars, so the gauge might be a little bit off, or maybe it's just getting low enough where it says, hey, put gas in me, dummy. But we just got it out of the heat shop, pulled it in there, the table, and that's what happens. Woo! Sorry, that was a quick little walk around there, but it's cold out here and the breeze is very steady. I think it must be just low enough it wanted to quit. No check engine lights, nothing like that, so there's nothing wrong with it. It just, like I say, it's been sitting since April. It got shipped up here and hasn't been driven, so that's what happens. I'll go out and put a little real good fuel out in and out back, and we'll be good to go. See, it's spitting a little bit of rain. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. KinionAuto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N Auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty cars every day. So give us a call again, 563-452-2450. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already. And those of you who have subscribed, we really appreciate you. Have a great afternoon, and I'll be back at you here in just a little while.